Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a phone number to your Steam account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Steam account settings. Once you're on the Account Details page, look at the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find different security and account management options. You need to click on Add a phone number. Adding a phone number to your Steam account is essential as it enhances your account security and enables two-factor authentication, which helps protect your games and personal information from unauthorized access. After clicking Add a phone number, you'll see a drop-down menu appear on the screen. Click on this drop-down menu to select your country. This ensures that Steam can properly format and verify your phone number according to your region's standards. Selecting the correct country is important for receiving verification messages and ensuring smooth communication with Steam support if needed. Now, in the text field that appears below the drop-down menu, type your phone number. Make sure to enter it accurately without any spaces or special characters, just the digits. Once you've entered your number, click the Next button to proceed. Steam will now begin the verification process to confirm that you have access to this phone number. At this point, you'll need to check your email for a verification code. Steam sends this code to ensure that you're the legitimate owner of the account making this change. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Steam. Once you find it, click on the Add Phone Number button directly from the email that was sent to you. This step confirms your intention to link this phone number to your account and adds an extra layer of security to the process. After you've clicked Add Phone Number from the email, return to your Steam app. You'll see a confirmation screen indicating that your phone number has been successfully linked. Click Next to proceed and finalize the setup in the Steam app. Your phone number is now connected to your account, providing you with enhanced security features and making account recovery much easier if you ever need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.